Hi viewers, my backyard grass was dead and full of weed. I will walk you through the whole process step by step how I turned dead grass to this backyard. I tried different products but it is not helping. As you can see in one spot I have different kinds of weeds and it is keep growing and growing. It's not only the kind which I showed you, there are few more as well. As you can see there is another one like this as well. In past, I used Scott's Turf Builder. It kills weed, prevent and also feed the grass as well. But this is not the good product for me because damage already has been done. I do not have a lot of grass. It is more weed and less grass. A friend of mine suggested me to try Bio Advanced all-in-one lawn weed and crabgrass killer. This bottle cover up to 5,000 square feet and kill over 200 weeds. If you like to go through the more details, there is a manual come with the bottle. Open it from the side and you will see the manual there. It provides all the details and also provide the list of the weeds it treats. Attach the water hose with the bottle and make sure it is all the way tight. Right now I did not turn on the water. I just want to show you how to turn it on. Push back little knob and turn it on clockwise. It will turn on. After turning on the water, now I am turning this one clockwise and water start to come along with the spray. Start to spray all over the area and make sure that you do not go over and over again. I sprayed Bio Advance in the yard. I will wait for a few days, then I will share result with you. I cleared some trees and bushes from the back of my yard. It's been 3 days since I sprayed in lawn. I can see weeds start to die. You can see how the color is changing. Some weeds are already dead and some of the weeds their color are changing from green to yellow. It's been 7 days. Most of the weeds died. If you notice, this weed almost killed, but in some area is still taking time. If I leave it for a few more days, it will die as well. But I want to finish my garden. I will dig out leftover weeds which are still in process of dying. After taking out weed, I will start to seed the garden. Before seeding garden, mow your lawn. Once you seed the lawn, then you cannot cut grass for 3 to 4 weeks. After moving the grass, rake it. I am using Pennington grass seeds. Those are for sun and shade. You can use the seeds from the other manufacturers as well. Scott's seeds are also good. I provided the links for both in the description. I do not have a spreader machine. You can use any bowl, glass, or you can spread with your hand as well. Water plays very important role for growing and maintaining lawn. After seeding lawn, water it for twice a day. From now on, it is a very slow process. It will take around 2 to 4 weeks. It's been 3.5 weeks. Luckily, I got a lot of rainfall and grass is better than my expectation. If you compare this video with other video where I was watering the grass, you will see a huge difference. If this video is helpful, do not forget to like and share the video. Until the next video, goodbye.